All right. I think most everybody in our country is going to be celebrating the beginning of summer with no school. I know some parents myself that are crying because there's no school, because it certainly keeps them engaged, learning, and always being busy. But we look forward to the summer when we don't have to worry about school and we can get up and go anywhere we want to, anytime we want to, within reason. But so anyway, I remember back one of my most fun Memorial Days. And I don't know why I think it's fun, because I wound up in the hospital. But we had, the kids were in school, but it was Memorial Day, so all the parents had a day off from tending to children. And so we went to a friend's condo where they had a pool, and we had the most fun day, just acting like kids. So it was fun, but they don't do that anymore. I think the kids are now out on Memorial Day. Am I right about that, Eddie?
In the South mainly, yes.
Yeah,
Up in the Northeast.
Listen, we love to celebrate down here. What holiday is it? Yay! So if you're gonna be part of a gathering and you're asked to bring something, if desserts are your thing, this dessert is so good. And you know, we're talking about Memorial Day. How about Labor Day? You can save the recipe for Labor Day, where it's a real celebration. The kids are going back to school. Oh my goodness. Well, this is delicious and so easy. I've got to locate a great big bowl though, so I can get y'all started. This is a lemon berry trifle. And we're gonna use a prepared cheesecake product. And I tasted it. It's very, very good. I've never seen this product. Teresa was telling me about it, but I've got to step away and find a big bowl, y'all, because it's gonna get big. All right. I'm gonna stir together the 2 containers of the cheesecake, and I've got like 1/4 of a cup of lemon curd. And it's just gonna give it a little boost as far as the taste. I happen to love lemon curd. Looks really good. You just want to incorporate that lemon curd throughout all the cheesecake. All right, so I'm gonna put about 2 cups of the cream in the bottom of our trifle dish. And I'm gonna try very, very hard not to mess up the sides, because I want everybody to be able to see, you know, the layers. And that was just a little over 2 cups. It's gonna be 2 1/3 cup recommended for your first layer. I don't want to touch the sides. Not yet. I don't want to touch the sides yet. Okay. All right. Now I need another 1/3. It's not often you'll see me measuring things like this, but I'm doing it today because I want to make sure that I have the proper amount to do the whole trifle with. All right, now trying not to make a messy presentation of my bowl, I'm going to get a spoon. How did I get that right there? How did I do that? I wasn't even over there. Okay, that's fine. I'm going to take my spoon and just kind of push it against the sides of our dish. Because what's special about this recipe, or trifles in general, is the layering, being able to see the layers. So now I am going to put 2 cups of the crumbs. Now these crumbs, y'all, they're like, they're a vanilla Oreo. Y'all, I was wrong. I thought this was like a blonde Oreo, but it's not. It's just vanilla wafers. So we're going to sprinkle 2 cups on top of our cheesecake. Turn my bowl and try to keep it going as even as I can make it. All right, that's 1 cup and 2 cups. All right, how does that look from y'all's point of view? Eddie, I don't hear anybody telling me. They're not answering me out there.
Go on this side. There you go. Turn it that way. It looks fine.
It's all in how it's turned, isn't it? How about that? I bet that'll level it out, right? Yes. All right, now we're going to add 2 cups of our mixed fruits. And I'm just gonna mix them all together in this other bowl, and that's certainly not necessary. You can do it however you want to do it. But I just want to make sure my measurements are right.
And of course I picked red, white, and blue ones for Memorial Day.
Uh-huh. Of course you did. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, this is going to be so heavenly. All right, how many did I do? Did I do?
2.
That was 2.
Yep.
I didn't have a cup then. Okay, now we're just going to repeat what we did the last time. Okay, y'all, the last layer. And I'm just going to pile that fruit up in it. Oh, and that got some crumbs on it. That's all right. It doesn't really matter how they lay, but I just wanted to lay pretty. Yum. perfect for Memorial Day. Don't y'all think? I want some. Do y'all want some? I want some. You think I can dig deep and get you a little bite without messing it up too much? I'm messing it up. Mmm. Mmm. So good. So good. I did mess it up a little bit, but I can fix that right back. Perfect. Loving Best Dishes, y'all, and I hope that y'all have a wonderful, safe, happy Memorial Day. Loving Best Dishes. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.